All right, what's good? I'm not a tech guy, and this is not my normal cup of tea. But listen, I don't even know where to start. But basically, this is my new Xiaomi Ultra 11 that I ordered 3 weeks ago on the strength of Flossy Carter. That if you don't know who he is, and you like anything tech related or sneakers or Ciroc or whatever, just watch the dude. My man is on point on everything. But definitely sold me on one of his reviews, and I just got it today in the mail from Giztop. I ordered it 3 weeks ago. I paid for express shipping, so it was like $30 to get it in 7 to 10 days. I don't know what that meant because it still took 3 weeks. But just so you understand this evolution, and I'm not a tech guy, so I'm not gonna talk mumbo jumbo. I'm just gonna talk about like how I haven't anticipated a phone this much since this motherfucker right here. All right, this one here. What you know about this phone right here? When the Matrix came out in I think it was 95, this phone was like the thing. Look at this. It was chrome. This thing was $1,000 when it came out. That's it. Just down numbers. I think it had like 2 games. But camera, look at the camera. Look at that. Look at that. That's like, this was like stupid slick. It was money just to have it in your pocket. But the huge drawback was that if you had this phone, you're literally carrying 2 or 3 of these batteries. This phone would only last 40 minutes. And back in the day, 40 minutes wasn't cutting it, especially the type of work that I used to do. I was on my phone all the time, and that wasn't cutting it. Then the whole smartphone game dropped, and then I jumped on the Sony Ericsson bandwagon. And they got this joint right here, and I'm sure a lot of people who remember cell phones, look how cell phones used to be small. And then Sony dropped this bad boy. Look at this. Look at this thing. CyberShot 3.2 megapixels. Look. Bam. So, bam. See that? Throwback. So these were the joints. And then prior to iPhone hitting the scene, it was the P900. I don't know what I did with that phone, but that was my favorite phone. And that phone had the IR blaster. And then I've been iPhone 2 all the way up to this 8. And I've had this 8 for since it came out, since they were doing 2 for 1. Buy one, you get one free. And yeah, I started watching Flossy Carter, and I started realizing that I've been drinking the Apple Kool-Aid, and I'm paying all this money for a phone that just does a little bit more. So once I seen his reviews, I got put on him by accident, just scrolling YouTube. And then I started watching him review phones. Like, word, this phone's whack. What am I talking about? I used to be all about the Androids. These joints right here, this was my thing. And then I just got in this Apple bubble. But now, so what drove me here was that I watched his review on the Mi 11. And I was like, man, and he kept talking about this Ultra or Pro. And I've been waiting on it since he dropped that review. So here it is, DHL. Came in today, was watching it. Here it is. They said that they were gonna put the value at $150 to avoid, I guess, taxes. You know, I'm all about that. Ain't trying to pay all that taxes. Get this bad boy out of here. Let's see. So here we go. Here we go. Now, I just finished watching Flossy's review. I didn't finish watching all of it, but he did a review on his official phone. And I guess one of the gripes is that the battery drains when you're recording. And right away, I got anxiety because I remember how bad this phone was, how dope it looked, but the fact that the battery would not last more than 40 minutes if you were going to actually use it. So I'm not happy to hear about that because I finally waited, 4 years to buy and invest in a phone, and it's got battery shit. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm hoping everything else is going to be worth it. But I'm so excited that I have one of my new favorite beers, and I know this is not a beer review. I got one of my new favorite beers, but the review will be coming out right here. I picked this up at the local beer swamp right by me. This is all the way from Chicago. And I've been saving it for a special occasion. And this is that occasion. Look at that. I forgot the alcohol content, but I just remember this had a little bit of a punch. It says 6.2% alcohol. That smells good. And yeah, I'm just treating myself. So this is me treating myself, and of course this is gonna be a write-off because this is now a work phone. Okay. All right, so I guess I'm getting the small box, which I saw Flossy review, and the small box did not come with the dongle, which was disappointing because I was kind of looking forward, and I've been hyping this phone up more than you can imagine. If you've been tattooed by me within the last month and a half, you've heard me talk about this phone. All right, so I got the 67-watt brick charger, which you have to pay for. It was $20. So if you're gonna buy one, apparently this will charge my phone in 36 minutes, but according to Floss, he said he got it at 41 minutes, but still 40 minutes for 100% charge. All right, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Like this is compared to what it's replacing, right? So iPhone is out the window. Okay, got the SIM injection tool. Oh, comes with a nice free case. Listen, I'll take it. Gel skin case. Better than nothing. I mean, I'm gonna tell you that since I haven't bought a phone in a minute, I got it fully loaded. I wanted maximum everything, 512 gigabytes of storage. And whatever the maximum RAM was, I don't know if it was 16 or 18. Again, I'm not the tech guy. But whatever the max was, that's what I went and got. Ooh, there it is. Look at that. There it is. Ooh. Now, I don't know if this is the Chinese version or this is the global edition, but I'm thinking that this is the Chinese and not the global because everything's in Chinese. But I'm super excited. It's definitely gonna be a huge adjustment. I mean, with a case, iPhone 8 with a case kind of feels almost the same as this Xiaomi. What? I have no idea what all of this is about, but I'm sure it's important, so I'll definitely keep this in the box. What? And here it is. Let's see if this has got any power. I don't even know I haven't had an Android phone in years, decades almost. Since iPhone took him out. Oh, there it is. Powered by Android. 5G, or as Floss says, 5 gangster. Wow. It's got 45%. Oh, man. Swipe up to unlock. Oh, man. Let me tell you why I hate Apple at this point. So look, check this out. I'm just gonna take you down this rabbit hole that I have of ringtones. I'm that guy that has a ringtone for everybody. I got a money ringtone when I get money Cash App or Venmo. I have a different ringtone I got ringtones for when people take money out of my account. I got a ringtone for everybody and anybody. And I love my ringtones. And Apple, every fucking upgrade and year, make it more and more difficult that you can't use your custom-made ringtones. So you would have to buy their shit. And yeah, no, I don't want to buy your shit. So, but I got so many ringtones that I had to lose. I got about over 800. And I used to make them on a website. It was called audiokeo.net. But I got all kinds of ringtones, right? So I got, these are the ones that I paid for. But then from this point on, you know, I used to have so many ringtones for different people.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next president of the United States of America, Barack Obama.
I mean, I had something for everybody.
No, you're doing it all wrong. All right. Feel like I picked the wrong week to quit amphetamine.
So these are all ringtones, and like literally, I would assign a ringtone per person. Even when you get that spam alert, I had so when you get spam calling you, and if you got T-Mobile or AT&T, I don't know if Verizon does it. If you get that random shit, I would play this one right here. Probably not why you're really watching this video. You're watching the video because you want to see this shit. But I'm just telling you, like, one of the pet peeves that why I don't like this one anymore. Or this right here.
Who the fuck is this asshole?
See? So if I don't know you, I would assign this ringtone.
Who the fuck is this asshole?
You know? Alright, but we're not here for that. This is what we're here for. I don't even know how to use this thing now. Turn it back on. Swipe. Let's look at this camera. Ooh. Welcome to camera. You can use the app to take photo shoots. App needs to be connected to the internet. Follow. Oh man. So this, my friends were joking on me about me buying this phone that I'm pretty much giving all my information to another country. I'm like, fuck it. Somebody's taking my information. At least, you know, I don't really care. Listen, if you're using Android or if you're using iOS, our information is being sold left and right. You know, location for adding photo infos. Fuck it. Let's do this. Only while using app. Wow. Shit. This looks. Let's see how this can look. Official. Ooh, let's look at the colors. See how this beard look, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of beard videos. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So it's got photos, portrait. I don't know if you can see. It's my first time doing this type of setup. You got more. You have night mode, 50mm, short video, documents, vlogging, slow-mo, movie effects. What the fuck is a movie effect? Oh shit. Magic zoom, time freeze, time. What is this shit? All right, so you're not here to watch all this shit, but apparently there's a whole bunch of other shit here. Go back. Pro. Ooh. Auto. ISO. Lens wide. So it's a wide lens. Sheesh. Look at this zoom. Too close. It's too close. You're too close, man. How do you zoom out? All right, it's gonna take me a little bit to figure this out. Oh. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's just go regular photo. HDR, AI camera, artificial intelligence. So yeah, we're gonna do that. It's very saturated. So I'm probably not gonna sleep tonight. I have to go to New York tomorrow morning. And I'm gonna probably spend the whole night fucking with this phone. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Sorry for my extra jibber jabber. Oh, always look at this. Look at this back LCD. Do it again. Oh, shit is dope. So yeah, we're gonna figure this out. But today Tuesday? No, today's Monday. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, this is on China's time. Yep. So appreciate you watching, and I'll follow up once I hook up the phone. Peace.